Hi everybody, this is jlong with Waterstone Mortgage, and I'm here today with my sales manager, Ryan Smith. And we've been receiving quite a few questions, phone calls, emails about a program called the HomePath loan program. And Ryan's become somewhat of an expert on this program, so I just thought that I would interview him today and I'd ask him these questions, and he could kind of answer those for you, and then feel free to send us a follow-up email if we don't cover anything for you. So Ryan, thanks for being here today.
My pleasure.
So I guess the first question people want to know is, what kind of property can you buy with a HomePath loan?
You can use the FannieMae HomePath loan on a single-family home, a duplex, a fourplex, a condo, an investment property, or a second home.
Okay, and is there something unique with FannieMae on this loan, since it's a loan from FannieMae?
Yeah, there's a couple unique features. First of all, it's very limited down payment. It's a 3% minimum down payment, which can be gifted, and that's pretty unique to this loan product. There's no appraisal required, which does two things. FannieMae accepts the purchase price as the value, and it also saves the buyer a little bit of money on the cost of the appraisal. And the third point would be that there's no mortgage insurance on a monthly basis, which is very unique to loans that have less than 20% down payment.
So that must save the borrower a good amount of money over the life of the loan.
It's going to save them a lot of money and a lot of hassle over the short and long term.
Oh, okay, that's great. Now, I remember something about this program was created by FannieMae specifically to buy FannieMae-owned homes. Is that right?
Yes, it has to be a FannieMae-owned home. So for those of you out there looking for foreclosed properties, there is a website called www.homepath.com where there's a listing of all the homes that FannieMae owns.
Okay, so that loan sounds like an amazing opportunity for a first-time home buyer to get a great deal with just a very minimal down payment. Is it more difficult to get than other loans are?
No, it's actually not. It's actually a little bit more of a forgiving program. You can qualify for this loan in some cases with less than perfect credit, and the underwrite on it's actually quite forgiving.
Okay, so Ryan, what's the first step for somebody who's interested in buying a home through this process?
Yeah, great question. The first thing you should do if this product is interesting to you is get with your lender, and before you look at any homes, get in their office, sit down with them, and try to really make sure that you know what all goes into this loan and the application process, and make sure you have the proper documentation ready for this process to go smooth from start to finish.
That sounds like a great way to make sure that no surprises come out throughout the process.
Yeah, exactly. You want to meet with your lender first before you go out and write any offers or look at property, so that you know your price range, you know your budget, and just overall know that you're making sound financial decisions.
That's great advice. That's great. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us today.